Not many occasions hold up in significance when it comes to weddings, especially for the bride. And to celebrate such a significant moment, what could be better than a bridal shower? A bridal shower is basically a pre-wedding party that is usually hosted by the maid of honor or close friends and family members of the bride. It is an event to shower the bride with gifts and well wishes before embarking on this new journey called marriage. While the bride is usually the center of attention at a bridal shower, it is also an excellent opportunity for the guests to have fun. That said, the bride is and should be the focus of this event, and finding the perfect gift for her is what it is all about. To help you select that gift, we've compiled a list of our favorite bridal shower gifts of 2023. From unique kitchenware to personalized keepsakes, we have something for everyone. Number 1. Sassy Cups Wifey Tumbler. If you're on the hunt for bridal shower gifts that are both unique and useful, then Sassy Cups Wifey Tumbler is the perfect option. This personalized tumbler comes wrapped in a beautiful themed box and the bride will love the fun printed message. Even more, it features temperature moderation, meaning this tumbler can keep cold things cold and vice versa. And, with a straw and lid, it makes for a very portable yet functional present. With 22 ounces capacity, our insulated, stainless steel, double-wall tumbler was designed to keep your beverages hot or cold. It features a slide-close lid, a matching, reusable straw, and a non-slip base. This gift is more than just a keepsake. For the bride, it will always remind her of the happy memories of her bridal shower. Even more, this tumbler's build is excellent quality and will not break easily, making it the best overall option for any bride who is always on the go. Number 2. Carrick Mrs. Bride Tote Bag. Not everything has to be extravagant and some brides like to keep it simple, so the Carrick Future Mrs. Bride Tote Bag is the perfect gift for them. Made from high-quality canvas, this tote bag is built to last and will be a handy tool for the bride to be on her big day and beyond. Measuring approximately 20.5 by 14.8 x 5.5 inches is perfect for carrying all your essentials on your special day, from your makeup and hairbrush to your shoes and jewelry. And with a 23 inches long handle, make it easy and comfortable to carry on your shoulder or by hand. The zippered top keeps everything secure, while the inside pockets are just right for holding smaller items like makeup or sunglasses. This bridal shower gift also features a variety of lovely designs, making it an excellent option for those who are looking for something both practical and stylish. Number 3. Your Perfect Day Wedding Photo Album. Provide the bride to be a sanctuary for her happy memories by gifting her the Your Perfect Day Wedding Photo Album to store all the beautiful pictures in. With acid and lignin-free pages, this album will keep your memories looking fresh for years to come. With room for 200 photos 4x6 in size or 100 that are 5x7, this album will surely become a cherished keepsake. Wedding Photo Album overall size 12.5 by 12.5 inch square. Internal paper size 11.75 by 11.75 inch. 50 internal pages. Fits 2 by 5 by 7 photos per page, portrait or landscape. Or 4 by 6 photos per page, 2 portrait, 2 landscape. Total 100 by 5 by 7 photos. Or 200x 4 by 6 photos. This album also includes adhesive tabs and labels to help keep everything organized, along with a white box for storage. There's also a front and back storage pocket to keep loose photos or other small mementos safe. All you have to do is to make sure to include a sweet note wishing the couple happiness with your gift. Number 4. Your Perfect Day Women's Novelty Hat. The bridal shower is all about the bride and, to make her feel like she's the center of the universe, she needs a bit of pampering. So get her this fun Your Perfect Day Women's Novelty Hat to make her feel like a queen on her special day. Whether you're the bride-to-be, or you are buying for a friend getting married, they will be the talk of the night, with everyone wanting to take selfies with that girl in the bride hat. Perfect for adding that extra sparkle to your party outfit. This polyester hat is covered in sequins to really stand out and comes with adjustable straps, making it one size to fit all. It also comes in both gold and silver so that you can pick the right color for the bride. Truly the perfect gift for an extroverted bride that wants to be treated like royalty. Number 5. Chowman Mr. and Mrs. Honeymoon Tags. Do you have a close friend or family member who is about to tie the knot? If so, picking out a present for them should be the next big thing on your agenda. While there are many different bridal shower gifts, one thoughtful and unique idea is something they can use on their honeymoon, making the Mr. and Mrs. Honeymoon Tags from Chowman a great option. Made of sturdy leather, they're durable enough to hold up to travel and feature a sweet Mr. and Mrs. design. Plus, Come in neutral black and white so that they won't clash with any other luggage. Paired with a beautiful black gift box, these tags make a great impression and are sure to be appreciated by the lucky couple.